Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace fuel filter on Jaguar X Type 2.2 diesel. This is a very easy job if you follow the steps. In theory you have to disconnect the fuel line, pull out the filter and then fit back the new filter and replace the fuel line. So far everything is correct, but here are two important tips. Tip number 1 is to make sure you don't damage the fuel line O-rings when you fit them back. And tip number 2 is to fill up the new filter with diesel. This will make your life much easier. If you don't fill up the filter, you'll end up with this. If you come across this problem, then get a one-way pump and prime the system. Once you do that, put the ignition on and off couple of times and it should be all done.